Today we're gonna have a preview tour of this 41 million house and lot here in Calamba, Laguna, here in V at Southern Plains. This property sits in a lot area of 204 square meters with a floor area of 353 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, a maid's room down below. And let's begin with our carport. As you can see, you have a 2-vehicle carport that is already covered and it's very nice. And ang design pala nito, if you're curious, this is a modern Butlerist design. So tara, pasok tayo. We are greeted by our solid wood door, and as we enter, you will immediately see how airy, how very much the natural light is coming inside the house because you have glass all over and meron ka ring double height ceiling in your dining area, and then meron ka ring sky dome dyan sa taas. On that side is your living area. This is your dining area, which can easily fit your 8-seater or even your 10-seater dining table. You already have a kitchen here that is L-shaped, overhead cabinets. You have a powder room there, a place for your pantry, and you have your linen and maid's room here. Tara, akyat tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. By the way, this house is 3 stories and you have a deck. And if you don't like this house, here in Viet Southern Plains, let me just tell you that you can actually customize a house. You can have a bungalow, you have a 2-story, or a 3-story house. So tara, punta tayo dito sa master's bedroom. The master's bedroom has its own walk-in closet and it's quite spacious. You can actually fit a customized bed here or a king-size bed, and you have a deck outside just to enjoy the breeze and the view of V at Southern Plains. And you also have your ensuite toilet and bath. Ensuite toilet and bath. You have your his and her sink. You have a toilet and a shower with your glass enclosure already here. And di lang yun nagtatapos yan dyan. This house at 41 million has its own huge walk-in closet. So this space can be yours. This is quite spacious, very nice. Pwedeng-pwede sa inyo. By the way, this property comes with a cash discount of 35%. If you would like to see the full house tour of this property, you can go on our YouTube channel.